Hi, my name is Angela. I'm a plant doctor here at Moana Nursery, and today I'm going to walk you through how to make some wildflower seed bombs. So to make a seed bomb, you're going to need three main ingredients. One is going to be a type of garden clay, and I'll be using a terracotta air dry clay. And you'll also need some potting soil, and I'll be using the Blue Ribbon G&B soil today. And you also need some type of wildflower seeds. And here at Moana Nursery we have a bunch of different types, and today I'll be using the Dryland blend from Comstock Seeds. One other thing you might want to do is wear a pair of gloves. At least the clay I'm using is going to stain my hands orange, so I'm going to use a pair of gloves today, but it's up to you whether you use some or not. So now I'm going to walk you through how to make a seed bomb. So you want to take a little bit of your clay. The exact amount's not super important. I like to make a small to medium size that might look something like this. So I just grab a little bit of clay, make a nice flat piece of clay, and you can either mix your seeds into your soil in advance, or you can put a little bit of soil in and a little bit of seeds. Just a pinch is all you need. And then I kind of wrap my seeds into this clay like a little ravioli or something. Once you got it all in there, you really just want to mash it up into a nice ball. So it might take some mashing to get everything staying in there. You just don't want any seeds and soil falling out. I kind of give it a roll till it's a nice ball, and there we go. And so once you have your ball made, at this point you can plant it a couple ways. You can just kind of throw it into an empty spot of your yard. You can plant it in a garden bed or pot. You can lay it on top or bury it in the soil a little bit. You can really just put it anywhere in your yard, but just keep in mind that since we're so hot and dry here, you're probably going to need to supplement with water to keep it moist for about 2 weeks or until you start seeing it sprouting. So that does it on how to make a wildflower seed bomb. It's a great family activity to do together. Wildflowers are just such a great thing to spread around your yard, and they are the bomb.